Hi, and welcome to PH Guitars. This is for the Danish Projekthulen, so in English it should be the Project Cave guitars. I'm Jesper, and this is just a short intro to the freestyle competition. I actually started a bit last year. I never got around to buying the ticket, but I got all the stuff. So the most important tool, the horns, the frets and all the stuff. I also built a couple of tools, 3D printed some. I even made this one for making my own pickups. Speed controller, wire, metal for flat pops, magnets for real pickups. So this should be fun. I'm located in a makerspace called HeySpace, which I'm a part of. So I have access to a lot of great tools like the planer, the sander, bandsaw, table saw, good work table, the CNC machine. We have a foundry, and this is just in this part of the shop. In the other shop next door, there's a laser cutter, we have 3D printers, vinyl cutters, and a lot of other stuff. So I'm very excited to see what I can create with all this available to me. There will be a lot of testing and trying new stuff. I'm working with a guy called Noam, who's making 3D printed tuners. So I will be trying those, as well as trying to cast some in metal. There are links in the description to some of his videos on the tuners. Yeah, so just a short intro video, as I said, and I will be seeing you in the near future, I hope.